Today we're diving into Spirio Hub. It's a platform that claims to streamline your creative processes, but does it really deliver? Let's break down what it offers and see if it's worth your time and investment. Spirio Hub is designed to be a centralized space for creatives, offering tools for project management, collaboration, and even content creation. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, which is a huge plus for those who might be intimidated by more complex platforms. You can create projects, share them with team members, and manage tasks all in one place. The real-time collaboration feature is particularly appealing, making it easy to bounce ideas off of teammates without the hassle of endless email chains. However, while it sounds great in theory, there are a few areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics on integrations with other tools aren't clearly laid out, which could be a deal breaker for users who rely heavily on certain software. Overall, it appears to cater well to freelancers and small teams, but larger organizations might find it lacking in depth. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy for new users to get started. The collaborative features are definitely a highlight, promoting seamless teamwork. On the downside, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed integration options is a significant concern for users with established workflows. Additionally, some features feel a bit underdeveloped, which could limit functionality as your projects grow in complexity. Trust signals are also a bit weak. There's limited information on customer support and user reviews, which might make potential users a bit hesitant. If you're a freelancer or a small team, you might find value here, but larger teams might need to look elsewhere for more robust solutions. So, is Spirio Hub worth using? If you're a creative looking for a streamlined way to manage projects and collaborate, it could be a good fit. However, larger teams or those needing specific integrations may want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but approach with realistic expectations.